Just a brief. No. You just for what transpired and the one call, nothing more.
Okay, we just argued the plaintiff's case, and the defendants responded, and the court adjourned to the 18th of July for judgment.
Now, what are the major reliefs being sought by the plaintiff?
Well, that's already before the court, and as we are trained, we are not supposed to be commenting on a matter before the court. So I think before now, some of your colleagues have been able to obtain from the court the relevant court papers, so that's the best way to find out. But the summary of our case is that we want the court to intervene in the primary election that was conducted in Kogi State by the APC on the 14th of April 2023, in that the first two that was projected by APC, in our client's view, were not qualified both to participate and for any of them to be declared as a winner of the election. That's a summary of our case before the court. So both parties have argued, so the court will decide. Okay, my name is Josiah Daniel Ebune. Thank you very much. Thank you.
You have not broken any law by
Yes.